Okay, guys, how are you? Hello, I believe everything is going fine. As you know, this is crash program regarding the cryptocurrency, what's going on in the cryptocurrency market globally. So, me and my team is always trying to give you the best knowledge regarding the cryptocurrency and user-friendly knowledge so you can understand easily. So, guys, as you know, I always suggest the newcomer who are coming on this platform first time, they should go back and visit my previous videos. So where I discuss everything regarding the basics of the cryptocurrency, so they can easily understand what is cryptocurrency and how it works and what kind of technology is running behind this cryptocurrency. So if they want to start their own trading, he should visit my previous visit and then he can understand and start their own trading online in cryptocurrency. So guys, as I always request you, please subscribe, like, and check the bell icon to promote this channel for the other people, for the reach of other people, so they can easily understand what is cryptocurrency. So guys, please do it. So guys, our today topic is coin versus token in a blockchain. So let we go on Google and see what Google is saying about the coins and token. What is coin and what is token in blockchain? Let me open the Google and here I already selected coin versus token. So, as per Google, coins are digital assets that operate on their own independent blockchains. Tokens are digital assets are operate on an existing blockchain networks. While coins primarily function as a medium of exchange, tokens aim to offer a wider range of functionality within a specific project ecosystems. So, guys, this is according to Google definition. So let me explain in my words what is coin versus token. So Google guys, coins actually are having the own blockchains, and the other hand, the token didn't have their own blockchains. They prefer to reside in the different coins blockchains. So the major difference is here. Both are assets, but coins like, for example, BTC. BTC is a you know blockchain, and its coin is Bitcoin. And also, if we talk about the ETH is a uh, coin, and his blockchain is Ethereum distribution. So as far as the coins have their own blockchain, they are independent. How they work, how they rules and regulation of a blockchain, and how it will validate the blocks in the blockchains. So all these decision points have the blockchains for a coin in a coins. So it means coins having their own blockchains rather than tokens didn't have their own blockchain. They resides and another coins blockchains. Like if we talk about the ERC20 tokens, so they didn't have the any blockchain. It's a token. So as far as token is concerned, let me give you an example. If you are, let's see, if you want to eat a samosas and you go in a sweet shop, and in sweet shop there is a counter for samosas. You directly go to the samosa counter and tell him I need two samosas. So counter person will say you go first, you go to the cash counter and get the token from there, and then you come back to me. So you go to the cash counter and will get the token and pay the money, and then you, after getting the token, you come to the samosa counter and giving this token to the samosa counter person, and then he will give you the uh, token. He will give you the samosas, but he didn't know. You are surprised, but you didn't say. You just given the token, and he gave back you samosa. So it means token is representing something, some assets. So some functionality of the assets, so token is the asset, but it shows the functionality of within the specific project ecosystems. So as according to the Google definition, it's already explains, while coins primarily function as a medium of exchange, token aim to offer a wide range of functionalities within a specific project's ecosystems. So this is, which I already gave a very good example, sweet shop. And if you want to get the samosa, you will get the first you get the token from the cash counter, then you will get the then you will go to the samosa counter and will get the samosa against this token. So this is all about the token and versus coins. So guys, uh, I always try, me and my team always try to give you the best knowledge regarding the cryptocurrency. So today we discuss coins and token. So this is all about the tokens and coins. So I believe you understand very well. And thank you very much for watching my videos on this platform. Have a nice day. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.